Now in this problem, when a force of 6 Newton is exerted at 30 degree to a range at a distance of 8 centimeter from a nut, is not say 8 centimeter, but it is just able to loosen the nut. Now what force F, what is the value of this force F, what force F should be sufficient to loosen it if it act perpendicular to the range. Now this is perpendicular to the range at a distance of 16 centimeter from the nut, right? तो now जैसा कि हमने टॉर्क के इंट्रोडक्शन में आपको बताया था कि now what is the role of force? The force is not the only criteria for a rotational characteristics. Now it depends on the what is the distance of the force from the point of interest, that is hinge point, right? So here now this 6 Newton force is being applied at a distance of 8 centimeter and it is at an angle of this 13 degree. So what we can say, we are interested in finding the perpendicular component, right? So this is the perpendicular component of 6 Newton and this will be equal to how much? Now this angle is 30 degree. So what will be the component of the force? This will be equal to 6 sine 30 degree, right? This is component of force which is equal to 6 sine 30 degree, and a perpendicular or distance is 8 centimeter. So now the two torques, the torque produced by the 6 Newton force must be equal to torque produced by this F. So what we can say, this force into perpendicular distance. Now here 6 sine 30 degree into 8 centimeter. We can leave the force in centimeter itself. This must be equal to this force multiplied by the total distance, perpendicular distance, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Now here both the distance are in centimeter, so it is no harm. It will do no harm. So what will this 8 2 times? Now therefore F will be equal to how much? This F will be equal to the here. This F will be equal to 6 sine 30 degree half. 6 sine 30 degree will be equal to half, and this is, you see, this is 2. So this is 6 by 4 and 2 3 ja, so this is 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5 Newton. So magnitude of this force will be equal to 1.5 Newton.